Greenland is back in the news. This vast, sparsely populated territory is part of Denmark. But why does US President Donald Trump see it as crucial? Let's dive into the reasons behind this interest and what it means for national security. First, President Trump emphasized the need for Greenland for national security on Air Force One. He stated, "Right now, Greenland is covered with Russian and Chinese ships all over the place." This concern underlines the strategic military importance of the region. Geopolitically, Greenland is located between the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. It's crucial for Arctic security and the emerging shipping routes open due to climate change. This makes it vital for both the US and its rivals. Greenland has about 57,000 residents and contains precious resources. It is rich in oil, gas, and minerals, which are essential for new technologies and energy storage. China has used its dominance in rare earth materials as leverage. The US maintains a military presence in Greenland, specifically at the Pituffik space base. This base plays a crucial role in monitoring Russian activities, as the fastest route for a Russian missile to the US runs through Greenland. As more shipping routes open, Greenland's strategic value grows. It blocks potential threats and facilitates US military operations if needed. This makes Greenland a key player in Trump's vision for a defense system dubbed the Golden Dome. However, transparency is essential. Critics question the need for complete control over Greenland, given the existing agreements with Denmark and US military presence. While it's important to monitor Chinese and Russian actions in the Arctic, can the US enhance security without annexing Greenland? It's an ongoing discussion with significant implications for US-European relations. In summary, President Trump views Greenland as a strategic asset for national security. Its location, resources, and geopolitical importance make it a focal point in US military strategy. Understanding this context is crucial as the situation unfolds. Would you like to learn more about the implications of these developments? Subscribe for updates and deep dives into the world's geopolitics.